good, people? I'm back again with another video. I wasted about 20 plus days not making any videos, so now I gotta make a whole bunch of videos and I need to start being consistent again with my content. I've got plenty of new pickups coming, so if you are a regular watcher, thank you, and now you know that I've got plenty of new pickups coming. Just before I get into all of that, the review, I just want to ask everyone to please like, comment, share, subscribe. That just helps out the channel a lot. It literally takes just a few seconds to do it all, and it helps me out more than you think, because the video goes everywhere. Subscribe, the numbers go up, people see my videos. But enough of all that, I want to get into it. And what better way to start the year with a last year pickup that I didn't even record. So let's get into this, man. Everyone knows this box by now. 100 times been on my channel. Everyone knows this red box. Everybody knows. Nike Air Max 95. So that's black, white, cosmic clay. I don't know what that means. Suggested retail is 170 US dollars. So this is my first ever time actually having a pair with this thing on it. I've never had a pair with a suggested retail price. I ordered these from Europe, so I don't know. It's whatever. But yes, it's an Air Max 95. Let's get into it, people. They came double wrapped. Of course, I had to try them on and all that stuff before. Yes, look at those colors, man. So these are the Rayguns, or the Raygun 95, whatever they want to call them, whatever they do call them. We'll go from bottom to top. So nice orangey color on the sole. Then it's got this plastic bit which is red and yellowy orangey type color. It's a bit different, so I think it's just to match all the colors that's on the top. Bubbles, blacked out bubbles. I like that a lot. It looks quite good. So I really like the blacked out bubbles. It just makes them look, it gives them a nice color. I don't know what to call it, but it gives them a nice look. Then we got the black midsole blacked out. A nice black leather, the 4. So there's always the 4. The first one's black. The other one is a suede, very smooth suede. I like that. It's a nice suede material. Then we've got a leather type of orange. It's actually kind of a rough leather or whatever. It kind of feels like sandpaper. And then this yellowy suede. That suede's still nice. It's not that nice compared to the red. And I really don't like this yellow color, but we'll talk more about that after. Mesh. We've got a nice blacked out mesh. It's kind of different to other meshes I've seen on Air Max 95s, but it is what it is. Toe box wrapped in black leather. We love black leather on the toe box, or I love. So the same black leather, red suede, yellowy, whatever you want to call it, and then the yellow at the top, the orangey weird material. We've got the laces, which are non-reflective, which is kind of annoying, but they are soft, so I don't mind. It's whatever. We've got the reflective type heel tabs, or the lace loops heel tabs. What? Sorry, the heel tab is reflective. Also, the reflective-ish lace loops. Also, one little detail which I really liked on these trainers is this. So the lace tips, black, red, and yellowy. That's quite cool. And then same on that one. That's alright. It's a bit different. I like it. Then the Air Max logo, so in the red and orangey yellowy color with Air Max and then red behind it. So I do like that, with red and then the rest is black. I think that really goes well. So now it comes to the negative, or negative from my point of view. So personally, this red suede and this yellowy suede, first of all, that color is nasty. Plus, I don't like the suedes. I don't know why. A lot of people do like suedes. I would rather this be all leather. It's majority leather. The rest of it should be leather as well. Like, it doesn't make sense to me for this to be just, you know, a bit of suede here and there. Just make it all leather. I think that would be much nicer, a better colorway. Overall, I do like them. These are a keep. I really love these trainers. You know, they look amazing on foot. What to wear them with, I don't want to do too much, so it will just be, you know, all black, to be honest. Black tracksuit, black jeans, black hoodie. Maybe a hoodie with a bit of, you know, if it's got a bit of these colors, you know, one of them, not too much. The flame shirt that everyone wore to the year 6 disco, that will look good with these. But yeah, so overall, I really do like them. I do think that Nike should be, you know, doing a bit more in terms of colorways and stuff, especially on the Air Max 95. I hope this year they are gonna release, you know, some fire colorways, because obviously we always want to buy more Air Max 95s, but sometimes some colorways just, you know, they ain't the best, they ain't the greatest. These are really nice. As I said, I will be keeping these. Very nice colorway, Raygun's colorway, with the reflective back heel tab and the reflective lace loops. Yeah, I think even the laces, if they were the reflective laces that they normally have on the Air Maxes, I would get those. But I do understand why they just made this reflective and then, you know, plain laces, otherwise it would be a bit too much reflective. This bit is reflective as well, so I don't know, man. The mesh is quite different that I've seen on normal Air Max 95, so that's quite different. It's more of a, it looks like it's a bit less waterproof, so it's more of a cloth type mesh, as opposed to the other ones, less clothy, it's more meshy. If that makes sense to anyone, then yeah. If it doesn't make sense to you, then I'm sorry, I can't really say much. Just make it make sense. But yeah, I really like these. Comment below if you like these, if you've got them, if you've bought them, if you like them. If you hate them, tell me. It's fine, I don't mind. So out of 10, I would probably rate these. We'll go for 7.5 out of 10. But I think that's cheating. Alright, we'll say 6. 6 out of 10. They're nice. They're not amazing. Yeah, they look nicer on foot, but you know, it's just the material's a bit different, whatever. So I'll give it, yeah, we'll go for a 6. 6 out of 10. Because I rate everything 7. If I rate it a 6 or 7, that means I don't really like them, but that's cheating. So 8 I kind of like, 9 I really like, 10 they're amazing. But yeah, leave some comments. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for all of the new videos that I've got coming for you guys. As always, take care, people.